Okay, we're trying to. Okay, we're trying to find him, right?
Too late.
We can't do it? Oh, but let's do it on Ryland then. Should be a good idea.
I've been taking lessons for a couple years,
Let's do it.
but I left my guitar at home.
I can make you a royally sweet on my guitar if you like.
Junior.
My dad is the one with the coin. I'm pretty much broke.
Maybe we can work something out. Here's the drums. I play bass.
Boy, he's sleeping on the room. He's sleeping on the wrong room. Go, 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 go. Don't let him catch us. Just don't do it. What
Bro,
if
he can hear us.
Should we end it?
No.
Okay.
This is awful. And we didn't give you permission to use it.
Actually, this is a public road built with government funds and it belongs to everyone. So technically, you are correct. It is yours, but it's also.
He's no.
Hey, you don't get off that easy. Look, I don't know what I did to offend you guys, but whatever it is, I'll stop.
You should know.
Seriously. Does school have an anti-bullying policy?
Sure does. That's exactly why we got kicked out. Right, John? High five.
What was that? Whatever it was, it caught me.
I hope it's not.
Okay.